The TOPDON TC005 thermal imaging camera is a high-tech tool designed for detecting heat variations, making it perfect for electricians, mechanics, home inspectors, and DIY enthusiasts. With a 256 by 192 infrared resolution for imaging modes and a 2MP visual camera, it provides clear, accurate thermal images. It operates within a wide temperature range of -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 1022 degrees Fahrenheit, -20 degrees Celsius to 550 degrees Celsius, and includes automatic hot/cold spot tracking and custom alerts. Additional highlights include 16 gigabytes expandable storage, PC connectivity for 2D/3D analysis, and an impressive 12-hour battery life. The device is durable, with an IP54 water resistance rating and drop resistance up to 2 meters. Pros: White heavy checkmark high-resolution thermal imaging. White heavy checkmark multiple imaging modes and color palettes. White heavy checkmark long battery life, 12 hours. White heavy checkmark PC connectivity for advanced analysis. White heavy checkmark durable and drop resistant. Cons: Crossmark takes about 30 seconds to boot up. Crossmark slightly bulkier than some competitors. Crossmark PC streaming and image analysis can't run simultaneously. What do real users say? Well, the reviews are glowing. People love the sharp image quality, accuracy, and ease of use. Many professionals say it's better than some more expensive brands. A few users noted the slightly long boot-up time, but overall, they're thrilled with the performance. So, is the TOPDON TC005 thermal imaging camera worth it? If you need a high-quality, reliable thermal camera for work or personal projects, this one's a solid buy. The clear imaging, long battery life, and pro-level features make it stand out from the competition. Overall, the TOPDON TC005 is a solid investment for professionals and hobbyists alike. It delivers reliable performance, sharp imaging, and great durability. If you're looking for a powerful and efficient thermal camera, this one's worth considering.